Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Sony head unit model and updating firmware when available. This avoids connection bugs. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. On the stereo, press Settings, open Bluetooth, and hold the pairing button for about 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Watch the display indicator flash. You do this now so both devices actively search. If either is passive, pairing will fail. Next, move quickly to select the device on your phone. You choose the Sony unit name that appears on your phone. If multiple Sonys show, match the model number. After selecting it, confirm the 4-digit PIN or accept the pairing request so the devices exchange credentials. Make sure to enable both audio A2DP and phone HFP profiles on the phone for music and calls. Once paired, the stereo may ask to allow contacts or media access. Grant as needed to enable caller ID and track lists. If prompted, set the stereo as a trusted device for automatic reconnection. You finish by playing audio and making a test call to confirm microphone and volume levels. Adjust the head unit's volume and EQ so callers hear you and music is clear. If audio fails, make sure the phone's Bluetooth output is set to the Sony device, toggle Bluetooth off/on, and retry. If pairing repeatedly fails, remove the device from both phone and stereo and repair, or reset the stereo's Bluetooth settings as a last resort to clear conflicts. These steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.